Okay, now we're going to go through the procedure of testing a overhead garage door operator. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that this button is at least 5 foot above the floor. And then we're going to push that. We're going to go over here and make sure that the electronic eye is working. And it is, and it will back up and if something breaks that beam. The next thing we're going to check is to make sure that if it touches something, that it will go back up. So we're going to do that now. We'll just do that by putting a little pressure on it. And there you go, it goes. It comes in contact with something. Then it will return back up to the proper position. Now we'll shut it one more time. Make sure that it's all working smoothly. We want to check the operator itself, get a name on it. It should have a dedicated circuit, which it does right there in the ceiling. We would check all the working parts. And then we want to make sure that the electronic eye is 6 inches off the floor. And this one is 8 inches, which happens to be the old rule, and now the new rule is 6. So basically it's just a simple of sliding that eye down 2 inches on each side, which is an easy fix. And then we'll open it back up. And then I like to release this just to see if you can operate it by hand. And you can. And so that is basically the inspection of the overhead garage door operator. Thank you. See you next time.